and Carlo Aquino. Once again, a round of applause to them. Alright, so kanina, Julia and Carlo, you shared about the things that you like about Cebu, and what are the things na siguro our spectators will also expect from the film. So ngayon naman, I have another question na naman. Ngayon, ikaw naman yung dapat unang sumagot kasi kanina si Julia, di ba? So, okay, be a gentleman. He is. Oh, that's good to know. Alright, my first question would be, the title is Hold Me Close. Para kay Carlo, can you share to us, gaano ka-significant in your life yung quote na Hold Me Close? Ano yung parang meaning nito sa'yo? What does Hold Me Close mean to you?
Hold Me Close? Siguro, family. You know, family and friends. Yun yung ibig sabihin sa akin ng Hold Me Close. Kasi sila yung dear to me, sila yung magpaprotect sa akin kapag nasa alanganin ako or kapag hindi ko kaya giniginaw ka. Pag hindi ko na kaya sa buhay, pag hindi na namin kaya yung lamig. Hold Me Close. Siguro for me yun.
So for you, Hold Me Close, for you, it's about family, it's about your ties. How about Julia? Para sa'yo naman, pag sinabing Hold Me Close, what thing comes to mind?
Ako, I think it's about, sa akin kasi the way siya nag-register is more, first of all, thank you so much. I feel like Miss Universe. Thank you so much for that question. Ang Hold Me Close para sa akin, I think, it's something I would say when I want to feel embraced and feel safe. I think it's the moments where I feel uncomfortable and fearful of something that does not even exist, that I wish someone is just holding me, no matter what kind it is. I think that just makes me feel so gentle.
Hold Me Close is more of a feeling to you. The feeling of warmth, the feeling of safety. Something that I believe not just a woman, but even a man, even any person would like to feel. Especially this Christmas season. We'd like to feel the warmth. We'd like to feel included. We'd like to feel safe. And Hold Me Close, hopefully, we can also have our personal meanings of what Hold Me Close will mean to me after we watch this film together, of course, with our very beautiful actress and very handsome actor. And of course, now everyone is trying to settle down. Siguro before we begin, last question from the two of you. Hold Me Close is shot, interestingly, not in the Philippines. So, fresh ito sa ating mga mata. It's shot in Japan. So, fond memory during the shooting. Just one.
Nabanggit kasi ni Juju na every time na nag-early backup kami, nagpupunta kami sa mga convenience store. Yun yung parang bonding namin with the staff and the crew. Yun yung mga special moments para sa amin kasi pinagsasaluhan namin yung mga noodles. Happy na kami sa ganun. Sobrang chine-cherish namin. Ako pala.
Yeah, all of us. Share yun eh. Nang yung frozen food na yung microwave, diba? Yeah, yun ang mga fondest memories namin.
So they already have their fond memories in Japan, so you might have your fond memories as well in Japan if you buy 2 tickets starting December 25, because for every time you buy 2 tickets, you will have the chance, to win a trip to Japan. And of course, aside from a trip, you will also have free hotel accommodation. So if you ever kayo yung mananalo, you will have a chance to relive the moments, the scenes na shoot nila ni Carlo and Julia. Alright, now that we